Hello viewers, so welcome to our maths channel. I want us to solve this maths equation within the shortest time possible. So we have 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 18. So watch the video up to the end. So let's begin with the solution. So on the solution we have 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 18. So it is impossible for us now to work out 18 to the root of 2. So what we need to do, we can now introduce what is called the logarithms. So now from here now, we shall now say we shall have the log of 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to the log of 18. Now so the log of 2 to the power of x plus 1 can also be written as x plus 1 log 2 is equals to the log of 18. So from here now we can now decide to do away with the log of 2 by dividing both sides by the log of 2. So we shall divide this side the log of 2, so this side also by the log of 2. So now from here now the log of 2 and the log of 2 shall cancel. So now we shall have x plus 1. So here x plus 1 is equals to the log of 18 all over the log of 2. So now from here now we can now conclude and say now x plus 1 is equals to, so the log of 18 all over the log of 2 can also be written as, so let's assume now we had the log of a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as, so this one shall be equals to the log of, so we shall now have the log of a to base b. So by using the same example that we've written here, so the log of 18 all over the log of 2, we shall now have the log of 18 to the base of 2. So from there now we conclude and say now x now is equals to the log of 18 to the base of 2. Then this now plus 1 we shall cross it to the cosine, and it shall become minus 1. So this one now shall be our value of x. So let's now check our value of x if we have done the correct thing. So this one was what we had. So we had 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 18. So from there now we say now 2 here. So where we have x, we now equate it with the log of 18 base 2. So we have to the power of the log of 18 base 2 there. Then remember now we have plus 1. So we equate all of this minus 1 because this one is the log of 18 base 2 minus 1. Then again plus 1 this one. So plus 1 is equals to 18. So let's now work out this one. Minus 1 plus 1. So now we shall have 2 to the power of the log of 18 base 2. So when we have minus 1 plus 1, we have 0 is equals to 18. So let's proceed and say that, so we all know that a to the power of log b to base c, so the answer of this shall be b. So that is to mean that 2 to the power of log 18 base 2, that one shall now 2 to the power of log 18 base 2, this one now the answer shall be 18. So 18 is equals to 18. So that means that we are very correct. So if you really enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and let's reach more people. So let's stop there. See you in our next video. Bye bye.